Friends, now as we have discussed earlier also, now we have to take care of our bones, joints and muscles for the skeletal system. You know the skeletal system consists of bones, joints and muscles. Okay? So for that we need to have a good healthy diet which consists of proteins, vitamins, minerals as well as some vitamin D3 which we get it from sunlight. Okay? So as we have discussed this earlier also, the proteins are the main source for milk and milk sources. Okay, these proteins we require it for muscle building. Okay, for our skeletal systems, for our muscles, for smooth muscles, skeletal muscle, cardiac muscles. For this we really need proteins. Protein is required in bones also. And now what are the resources of protein? As I have discussed, it is in pulses, soya bean, nuts, grams, meat, fish, eggs, milk and paneer are the rich sources of proteins. Now comes the vitamins and minerals. As we have discussed, vitamins, mainly for the bones and skeletal system, we need vitamin D3. Vitamin D3 are obtained from sunlight. This vitamin D3 is required for absorption of calcium and promote strong bones and teeth. Okay, in short, vitamin D3 is required to make our bones strong, our muscles more strong. Okay, and now from where we will get this vitamin D3? Vitamin D3 we'll get it from the sunlight. Got it? From the sunlight. That's why we ask the kids to play, you kids to play in the sunlight during daytime, especially from 8 to 10 in the morning and evening 4 to 6. You should play during that time. When you play during that time, the good sun rays which come from the sun really helps to build vitamin D3 in your bones, and this vitamin D3 helps to make your bones strong and healthy. Even your muscle becomes more and more strong, right? So this vitamin D3 is also obtained from foods like cod liver oil, fatty fish, liver, egg yolk, mushroom, milk, curd and cheese. Milk and milk products are rich in calcium. Okay, so the easiest way to get vitamin D is from the sunlight. Can you have cod liver oil, fatty fish, liver, egg yolk every day in your diet? No. So what is the easy method to get vitamin D3? Is from the sun rays, right? So that's why we ask the kids, especially during your growing age till of 16 years of age, you should play during more at a daytime, especially from 8 to 10. Okay, so got it. Now vitamin D3, proteins, minerals, and now what is more another more important thing is rest and exercise. Rest of 8 hours sleep is very much needed. Okay, very much needed for generation and regeneration of our muscles. Okay, and exercise, yes, exercise is needed for good body circulation of blood vessels and blood and toxic products which goes from out of the body. Okay, now how you will do the exercise? You should play a lot in your outdoor things like in your garden play area. You should play a lot. You can also do yoga, outdoor sports, skipping, running, swimming and dancing as well. Okay, this helps your good body circulation of blood. This is very very important. If you don't do exercise properly, your blood circulation is affected, and then your vitamins, minerals, proteins will not be absorbed properly in your body, right? Now what is the most important again? See this posture. Can you see this posture? Yes. Why this posture is important? Do you know? This posture is needed for making a spine bone. Okay, making or keeping a spine bone erect. It should be straight. See this way. It should be straight. If you stoop forward or if you stoop backward, what will happen? Your spine bone will be affected and it will keep bending like this, and you will walk also like this or like this. Imagine if you walk like this, people will people will say, oh, see, some monkey is walking. They will tease you, right? No, that's right. So we should walk straight and forget about the teasing part. Even your spine's spine is very 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 important. You know, this is called as a backbone. See this is a backbone. Spine should be erect, spine should be straight, and it really helps to maintain your posture. So for benefits, I told you, it also prevents your neck pain, keeps your bones and joints in correct alignment, prevents muscle aches and fatigues, and makes you look smarter as well. See the sitting posture. Which should be the correct one? Can you tell me? Yes, this one. Third one is the correct posture. This two is a wrong posture. Okay, good. So just these are the things. Yeah, one thing I want to explain is what about the tendons? What are tendons? Tendons are the special tissue that attach muscles to the bone. See, now this is the bone. Got it? This is your arm bone, right? Here muscle is there, right? This muscle is attached to this bone as well as the upper part and the lower part of the bone by the tendon. Okay, here is a muscle. Mainly you will see here is a muscle and it is attached to the upper and lower part of the bone by the tendon. Okay, so it helps your movement of the joint as well as the movement of your bone. Got it? So that tendons are very important. So you know ligament, humerus, sternum, rib cage, backbone, skull, everything you know. Right? Now we will come to human skeletal system. Skeletal system, as I mentioned earlier, is divided into bones, joints, muscles. Remember these three things because skeletal system is mainly consist of bone, joints, and muscles. Okay, bones you know hard and strong. Joints are the where two bones meet is a joint. Muscles are the tissues. Muscles are of three types: skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, and cardiac muscle. So skeletal muscle are where especially at the long bones and short bones for more doing the activities. Smooth muscles are near the organs, and cardiac muscle you know is at the heart. Okay, joints you know all the joints: hip joint, knee joint, elbow joint. Okay, then your neck joint, shoulder joint. There are many joints in our body, so accordingly there are joints. Okay, cartilages protects the joints, and joints can be movable or immovable. Immovable example of joint is, can someone tell me this? Think over and let me know in my comment box. Okay, so just think over. If you have gone through my video, you will remember this. So joints which are immovable, please let me know in my comment box. Okay, ligaments hold bones together, and bones you know is majority of bones are present in skull, jaw bones, backbones, rib cage, lips, and girdles. Right? Now these are the exercises which you can go through, and it is very easy to solve. Got it? As I have asked earlier also, okay, tell me the number of bones. Okay, tell me the number of bones in the rib cage. Can someone tell me? It's 24. Okay, number of bones in the rib cage. They have asked one question here. See, how many bones are there in the rib cage? 24. What are the functions of the skull? It protects the brain. Then the last two pairs of the rib cage are called floating ribs. Yes. Why? Because if you make it, if they are not floating, then your liver and the other side is a spleen will be badly hurt. Okay, and even your diaphragm movement has to be easy, right? So for this reason, the rib cage last two pairs of ribs are floating ribs. Okay, state any three function of the skeleton for your more doing day-to-day activities like walking, running, skipping, other day-to-day activities. Now give two example of joints: pelvic joint, hip joint. Muscles, which muscle you can give me example? Tell me. Skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, and cardiac muscle. You can give example of skeletal muscles also, right? Where are the tendon and ligaments found in the body? Tendons and ligaments are found in the bones upper and lower part, ligaments between the two bones, that is at the joints. Okay, so you can just go through the question. They are very simple. List some foods rich in calcium. Tell me milk and milk products. Why is a good posture important? So that our backbone remains straight and it does not bend forward or gets degenerated easily. Okay, so henceforth we'll stop the video over here. Please do press a like and subscribe button so that I can come up with more and more videos to make the chapter very easy for you all. And if any problem is there, please do write in your comment box so that I will try to solve it as easy as possible. If you have any problem with the languages or if you are not able to understand anything, please do mention it in the comment box. And don't forget to press like and subscribe button. Thank you.